So let's do some painting.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus is astronomical. It is way
Part 2 on blending. I'm actually learning how to blend again because my makeup has been going crazy for the past one year. So it's kind of like a tutorial for two of us. Let's do a fit check. I have on my best Saturday outfits, which is big shirt, sweatpants I stole from my dad. Now let's say no makeup, but go on, I'm about to do some makeup. Before we start, we're actually going to put a primer. I bought this primer like a year plus now. This is the Hagai and Esther primer. I actually wanted to try like Nigerian products. It's great, but I don't think it's that great, honestly. It has this shine control, pore blow, and extends makeup wear. Maroon skin. So I put it after the primer. A touch here. You guys, it is time to blend. Now I'm telling the truth, I don't know where to start from. I'm so confused. But you know what we're going to do? 'Cause I look like a mouse. We're going to start from dark to light. Lego. Okay, I also use brush because I feel like it is good when it comes to blending. Like it's good to just like spread out the product. Before we start, let's see some setting spray. I already gone far, but yeah, this setting spray is the Benai Final Seal. Yes, and it actually does work. Damn, like you guys, I said to try this thing and I don't think it's for my skin tone. It's just a lot of light skin products, you know. I think I'll use more like contour stuff instead of like the light one. I gotta laugh. Taking this back. Like the fact that I have no energy to talk is crazy. I had a whole week of talking. I really do not want. Can you guys see how much forehead I have? Come on. This is what they call Rihanna from outside. Rihanna, if you see this, I love you. See, I'm sweating. Even after they said it was a no sweat thing. This mirror doesn't prevent sweating. Like, I don't know who said that, but wait, you lied. You lied, you lied, you lied. The niggas like bitches with money. I got a spot. Taking a lot. About bitches that hate me a lot. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, and yeah, it's in deep peach. You know, sometimes I actually feel like this color is lighter than me. Let's bake. Let's bake like no my babies. She's shaking like jelly. Let's clean my eyebrows like a little bit because there's a lot of foundation on my eyebrows. Gonna do it, never 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 gonna never gonna do it, 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 never. Because I woke up 7 and I said, no, I'll sleep back. It's Saturday. I did sleep back. And then I woke up and it was Sunday. Okay, it wasn't so late. It was just 1 hour later. Anyway, I just hope I feel better next week. I'm happy that it is the weekend. I might actually just go to church tomorrow. I haven't gone to church in. I don't even want to put a time frame on it because I can't take no judgment, babe. But it's been a long time since I went to church, and I'll tell you all about it when I go there tomorrow. Weird way to propose, but yeah, I'm joking. I actually want to do my eyeshadow because I told you last time I'm going to be trying out new eyeshadows. We're going to be trying out new eyeshadows every fucking day. Okay, time for the eyebrow drawing. You guys, I'm always so shy when I have to draw my eyebrows because it's always new to me. You know what time it is? It's time to brush your eyebrows. So I have to stop singing. You know, I literally stopped watching Dear White People because the next season they turned into a musical. They had like one good season, and season 2 was like so nice. And I was like, damn, like these people are on a roll. And then I watched season 3, and the moment I opened season 3, you guys, like it wasn't even up to like 5 minutes. They started singing. And I was just like, why is they singing? But maybe it's not as deep. And the next person started singing out, and I now checked it, and I saw season 3 musical. I'm like, is this how you want to lose me? So you guys, today I actually wanted to eat cut crease. I'm saying last time I did eat proper cut crease. That was like back with my messy eyeshadow palette. But yeah, I put this color, this oxblood red. At first I was trying to use like this brown. Hope you can see. I was trying to use this brown at first, but I just stopped. I used a bit of it, but not so much. Then I now tried this one and not stopped. So I now tried this one. So this is the one I'm using for like the outer layer of my eyeshadow. And then when I finish to make it darker, I used this Beauty by AD. I used the Beauty by AD contour this thing, cream, lotion, concealer. I used the Beauty by AD dark concealer to like do the inside darker this thing. Then I mixed it with black, so that's why it's having like this color mixture. So let's see how I can do a cut crease, but I actually haven't done a cut crease before, so I think this is really wild for me to have not watched like any video prior to this and just like winging it. Because last time I did a cut crease, I was literally in uni. Back to eyeshadow is such a, I don't know, I don't think it's a decision I'm going to regret. I feel like I'm even learning eyeshadow again with you people. So this might be like eyeshadow basics 101. What do you think? Because truly I haven't done any eyeshadow in like, let's actually blend it into like my, I think the cut crease look so wild, yes, because you never really know how that shit's into this thing. But I want my cut crease to look like a cat's eye. Which one do you prefer, this side or this side? I think I'm doing a half cut crease today. Cut crease. You guys, I realized it's actually cut crease, not cut crease. So let's do blue. So this is the blue I'm using today. This bright ass blue. Let's see. Ooh, let's see the tint. You guys, you know what I heard? I heard that blue is not good for black girls. Is that true? Black girls shouldn't do blue. But no, I don't want to do blue ultra my eyes. I don't like how it looks right now. So let me try something. Let me try something different because I tried these eyes and they are not giving exactly what I want right now, like this other eyes. So let me try something. You guys, sometimes I did blue eyeshadow on FaceTime my brother and he was just like, Jesus Christ, who did that to your eyes? But yeah, someone actually did that to my eyes, so he was alright. But yeah, he did not have to react like that to get it was really stressful. Because yeah, it's not fine, but come on, lie to the girl a little bit. A little bit, like to the girl, a little bit. But yeah, he had no space to lie. It was really painful because like he could have. Could have, would have, should have. Oh, this two color got ugly. What do you think? Or is it? This color is actually giving. Wow, wait, let me try. It's actually giving. Oh, it's not that bad. Like, I don't know why he's adding makeup here. Sometimes you can just see like the potential. But yeah, I decided to try this one like at the edge since like I already feel the beginning with the blue. But I think the arrangement for eyeshadow is like light, dark, darker. I don't know if it's like light, if it's like dark, light, dark, you know. I've never tried like it's the other way. Combination. Sorry, but you can see I feel like this looks like different but in a good way. I like how this one looks more than the other one. Plus the tint is really nice. So I'm eating it up. It's okay to just see things for yourself without feeling like, oh, you're making a big mistake. People will still forget you, I promise. It's more be like, oh, like I know the girl that used to be here. Yeah, that's kind of not the vibe. I just want to be able to add value, you know, in a way that I am content with. I don't think this cut crease actually cut up with the crease. It is ugly. Can you see? What did I do? What did I do? No, I actually wonder if you can see what I can see. Sometimes I sit and wonder. I can see wonder where I've been. Got a thing for you that I wanna go. No, I might just do blue in the end. What do you think? Because, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's give it. If it's not giving, will I know? Would I even know if it's not giving? Yeah, which eyes you prefer? Let me show you. Because I kind of would have liked this eyes if I did not blend the end the way I blended it. So let me try one more time. But yeah, I don't think this cut crease thing actually worked though. Because I shouldn't have used black. Black is not for everything. But you know what? I think I've discovered one color right now. These two colors, like with the middle thing, it's giving. It's giving. So for these eyes, I will bleach up this area. See, I just ask like an open question. At what age will you think like you'll be ready to get married? Because like I feel like slowly, I'm going to the age bracket where like my mates just want to marry right now and all. But is it weird that it is in my agenda? It's like in my agenda one day, but not like it's not in my agenda right now. You know, like I don't get married right now. I just want to date. Honestly, I want to date like honest people. And I also want to date what I want. Like, I don't feel like I want to manage in dating. Because I don't know, people end up managing in marriage, but I don't want to manage in dating, because, yeah, I really want the experience to be all I want. I know, like, in everything, you have to make compromises, but compromises come over time. I like compromise in the beginning. I feel like compromises happen along the way, not in the beginning. It's too early. It's too early to compromise in the beginning. So yeah, I'll just wait till I find the one for me, or maybe my lover is money. I just have to work hard, take my money. Because if I have my money, damn, I'm thinking about no nigga. I'm not even thinking right now about them. So imagine them, crazy stuff. Blush. So today I want to use like a lighter color. So normally I used to use this orange or this red, but today I want something more like peachy, you know, like really subtle look, because I feel like the eye, I don't want anything to like confuse my eyeshadow. I don't know, can you see what I'm saying? Like, oh, it's giving. It's actually giving. Yeah, it's really giving. No, I'll add a little bit of this dark red just to give it a bit of color, because it is very much peach. But yeah, it's been super nice. No, I feel like I'm always smiling when it's time for blush. It's only right. Hey guys, from next time I'm going to try lashes. Don't worry, don't complain, don't cry. Next time you're finna see me with some lashes. Where? You hear me? My hair straightener spoiled. So now I'm using iron, and I think this is bad. Yeah, do not judge me.
I'm proud of him.
I'm not sure. Did you hear that? So I'm watching The Good Doctor, but yeah, we had to iron out the hair, and I actually like how this looks. Like it's giving like a different type of hairline. Let's see the transition. Now our next makeup. I wanna all night.
Say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want.